Which is the biggest bird in the world? The common ostrich is the largest, the tallest, the strongest, and the heaviest bird in the world. In Hindi, it is Shutur-murg. Ostriches are native to Africa and are flightless birds. The male ostriches are black and white and can reach a height of more than 9 feet and weigh over 156 kilograms. The females, on the other hand, are light brown and can grow up to 6 feet in height. Despite their bulk, ostriches are the fastest birds on land. They are superb runners and can sprint at a speed of up to 70 kilometers per hour. Ostriches have the largest eyes of any land animal. Each eye can be up to 2 inches in diameter. Ostriches are omnivores and prefer plants, especially roots, flowers, fruits, and seeds, but they also eat insects, lizards, locusts, snakes, and rodents. Ostrich eggs are the largest of any bird and are almost as big as a watermelon. They can weigh up to 1.4 kilograms. Ostriches can live up to 50 to 75 years.